Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix battery drain problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are facing you are not using your smartphone too much but it is draining your battery too fast, so how you can solve it in this video I will tell you. So firstly you have to go to the settings, click on applications, click on see all application, click on three dots, reset app preferences. By doing this you will not lose any app data. And then again click on search, right here Google Play Services. You have to do this clear cache also. And one common mistake everybody is doing, that charging your smartphone while playing games. This will definitely drain your battery too fast. It will not charge your smartphone uh, heavily or speedily. It will degrade your battery life and drain your battery too fast. And just avoid these things. Then secondly you have to do a software updates, turned off automatically updates at night, at day, so it will definitely drain your battery life when you are not using your smartphone. Then you can just turn on the auto brightness mode, and you can use dark mode also. These features will also help not to drain much battery life uh, in comparison to while on these features. So you can use this and restart your device, and then it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.